Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be reviewing NixOS and we are also going to be walking you through the installation. So firstly, we're going to choose the first one as I have absolutely no clue what the other three are trying to say. Except the last one, mem test, is just testing for memory I think. So yeah, we're going to go with the first installer and it's going to load us in. I tried installing Gentoo just now, it didn't work cause I didn't know how to use the minimal install USB. So let's hope we have better luck with NixOS. This should have a GUI, so I wouldn't have that much trouble, hopefully. Ah yes, it does have a GUI. That's nice. And this is KDE Plasma. Oh, it's so good to see Plasma again. I have not used... Actually, no, I've used KDE very recently as well. That just reminded me. Okay, now we'll see how long... Oh, that's quite fast. And we're in. And it auto... Okay, it took the resolution automatically. This is amazing. I didn't expect that to happen. This is running on a hard drive, just a reminder. Let's just go look at our display. Cause yeah, I took the exact correct resolution to 2560 by 1440. That's good. Okay, quite sure we are quite used to this. So yeah, everything is same, and it has Dolphin, my favorite. Like I said in my other video, amazing. You're just gonna go straight into the installation. So the welcome page, we're gonna press next. American English, correct region detected. QWERTY keyboard default. Gonna use my name, done, password. Okay. I faced a problem. Was it this one? Oh no, it wasn't. Never mind. You shouldn't require strong password. Use the same password. Next. Okay, easy. Now we're gonna use Plasma because I'm imagine not liking Plasma. Next. Allow unfree software. Wait. 31st not allowed, but okay, never mind. It's fine. We're gonna erase this and it's gonna use master boot record. It's weird. Never mind, I guess we're gonna use master boot record. Okay, summary, partition, install option, free, general. Okay, that's good. Done, now it's installing. That is very fast of installation. That is very fast. Okay, but we'll see now it's the true installation part. Can you open the terminal? Good. Okay, while that works, I'm just gonna look around the OS, see what we can do. Oh, this reminds me so much of Manjaro Linux. Manjaro was my first Linux distribution. Cause I was watching, if I'm not wrong, it was a Linus Tech Tips video. It was on VMs and how to game, and they used Manjaro or Pop OS, either one. Then I was like, Manjaro seems great, so I got into Manjaro, used it on my Raspberry Pi, the Arch 64 version, and then I got into Linux. So yeah, that was how I started using Linux in general. Yeah, interesting backstory. Anyways, that's the NixOS manual that is launching in Firefox, and we will see what it has to say, if it can launch. I don't know what does that do actually. Okay, we're gonna wait. Firefox is here. Okay, it's taking a bit long to load. I think that's because of the fact that it's running on a hard drive. So if it's not, it's probably gonna be able to run faster. Booting sudo dash I. If you download a graphical image. This is how you use the. I think this is how you use the. What's it called? The minimal install disk. Yeah. It's fine. For us, you have the graphical user interface. And the max fans are spinning real quick. This is drawing a lot of power. Even though I assigned like 4 cores and like 8 gigs of RAM should be enough for this to install. The installation's taking a while. Slower than the rest, but it's quality that matters, I guess. Waiting for a while doesn't matter that much. Okay, there's a lot of things it's doing. Okay, while that does a thing. I have no clue what's this thing here, so I'm just gonna click it and see what it gives me. Okay, Plasma workspace, unknown application. Okay, this is unknown. Guess you have to wait for it to install finish, then you can see what it is. Development, you have Kate, which is a text editor. Oh, the installation is done. That was quick. Okay, I guess we'll explore that later. Restart now. Done. Okay. Oh. OS. No, it should load me into KDE Plasma automatically. And let's hope it takes the resolution of the screen again. Come on. Oh, it didn't. So disappointing. I kind of expected it to, considering I started it. It worked the first time. Anyways, quick change here. Apply. Difficult. Done. Keep. Okay, that's better. Now we are the right resolution. No, this have, yeah, the restart needs to take place. Yeah, that's done. It's fine, 100 works. Okay, so we have utilities. You have K, right? Other stuff. We have Alisa music player. Okay, for multimedia. We have Firefox. It doesn't come with Chromium, so you have to install that yourself. And most importantly, what I look out for is whether this has app store, because I feel for beginners that's the most important thing. You need graphical user interface. If not, you wouldn't know what you're doing. I guess not. We can open the terminal. Firstly, oh, it's called console. I forgot that's what we called it. Okay, can. Now we are in NixOS and we are just gonna do a sudo pacman-sy Chromium. Console is available everywhere. Yes. Pacman is not found. What? Oh yeah, my bad. Whenever I think of KDE, I think of Arch, cause Manjaro. This is an app install thing. Oh, that's bad. Wait, what? Is it Pamek? I have no clue what this is based off. So we have to figure out. Store Chromium. Pamek. Okay. Sudo PKG. PKG not found. Huh. Okay, time to Google what is NixOS based off from. NixOS based. Is it based off Fedora? Oh no, it uses Nix. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, sudo Nix install. I forgot they had their own. Nix install Chromium. I have no clue how to use Nix, by the way. Nix --hatch. Okay, I guess you have to type it out full. Nix build, Nix develop, REPL, stand directive run, and Nix application search. Okay, can I install anything? I don't think build a region fetch a passage. Okay, so I guess you're using build, then you're just going to Control C. Okay, so build. So stay off sudo nix install. We're gonna build Chromium. So this works. Huh? Okay. Sudo nix dash extra dash experimental dash features. Okay, I'm done with this. Okay, let's search for things first. Let's search for Chromium. Whether it exists. Chromium. Okay, never mind. I guess I have no clue to install applications, and we will have to figure out that another time. Let's hope we can see if there's have installer. If not, we won't be able to install anything. Okay, let's get the help menu. Fundamental skills levels online for application manuals, development. Okay, not that manuals. Also not that. I don't see it here, so I'll just take it as it is not here. Pardon me. I expect anything to like help to be like easily accessible, and no, it isn't. So that's bad. Okay. I cannot seem to figure out how to use the Nix store, so I guess I'll try to figure that out another time. So I would take it as Nix is like a package manager like app and Pacman. So yeah, I guess they use their own their own open source version of the package manager. I think it's open source at least. So yeah, that's downside for me, I guess, since I have no cloud to use it. But if you all know how to use the Nix installer, then good for y'all. This should be the perfect operating system for you. But I am basing this off whether a beginner should be able to use this. And for a beginner, I give this an 8 out of 10. actually no, a 7 out of 10. Cause even though I like KD and all, I feel that that's just the desktop environment. You can get that anywhere else, but it's the operating system that matters most. And if you don't have a GUI to install apps, you don't have the common app, the Pac-Man, this kind of thing, and you're gonna end up using Nix, which is very rare and uncommon. I don't think a beginner will be able to easily get into that. So I think this is for more intermediate Linux users, and that's my opinion on it. So overall, this is a 7 out of 10. If you guys agree with me, y'all can leave a like and comment on why you think so as well. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!